forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away.
Hey guys, God, I love the post-workout feeling. I am trying to factor in workouts in my daily life since like forever. And I seem not to get the hang of it. I don't know, like I trained for a month, like 2 times a week, and then I just give up and then I start all over again. And every time I restart, I have to say I feel like I'm starting from scratch again. Like I did a 10-minute full body workout right now and I feel completely exhausted. I was planning to do yoga afterwards, but now I feel like just laying on the couch and just give up.
Take it easy.
When you're Russian living abroad, but you can always find some pelmeni to cook. Or dumplings, yeah.